Good afternoon, and welcome to Boston University's commencement exercises. We celebrate a scant 4 weeks and 6 days after the finish line bombings at the Boston Marathon. Craven, deliberate acts that claimed the lives of 3 innocents and injured 250 more. We have felt the effects of these attacks acutely. Our graduate student, Lu Lingzi, lost her life at the finish line. Another graduate student, Zhao Danling, was seriously injured. We lost a prospective student, 8-year-old Martin Richard, a 3rd grader at the neighborhood charter school in Dorchester, who had professed his intention to attend Boston University. This year, instead of treating blisters and dehydration, members of our medical team hastened bravely to save the lives of grievously wounded spectators. These individuals represent Boston University at its best. We are proud of them as we are proud of the graduates whose accomplishments and potential we now turn to celebrate.
When you step out of here, you realize how having known or simply talked to this multitude of personalities has given you the most valuable tool to face life: the ability of opening your minds to others.
Thomas Menino, in recognition of all that you have achieved through your distinguished career, Boston University will henceforth name its long-standing merit scholarship program for graduates of Boston Public Schools as the Thomas M. Menino Scholarship Program.
Mr. President, I have the distinct honor to present Morgan Freeman for Boston University's honorary degree.
I have nothing new to say to you. You already know you're graduating from one of the greatest universities on the planet. So I can only say to you, congratulations. And to this great university, thanks for this great honor. Thank you.
There's no how-to guide for how to change the world, but I'm a big believer in the power of inexperience. It was the greatest asset I had when I started TFA. The world needs you before you stop asking naive questions and while you still have the time to understand the true nature of the complex problems we face and to take them on.
Mr. President, as University Provost and Chief Academic Officer, I recommend that the Master of Arts in Mathematics be awarded to Lu Lingzi and that the Bachelor of Arts be awarded to Binland Li, both degrees to be awarded posthumously during today's conferral of degrees.
Upon the recommendation of the faculty and by the authority of the Commonwealth of Massachusetts given to the trustees of Boston University and entrusted by them to me, I hereby confer upon you the degrees you have earned, together with all appropriate honors, privileges, and responsibilities, in token of which you will be granted diplomas. My congratulations to you all.